Despite a 37% drop in cases nationwide since late July, furious pushback on the CDC's new recommendation that people exposed to COVID and have no symptoms no longer need to get tested. The change igniting confusion among public health experts.
That's an essential component of case-based interventions, doing effective tracking and tracing.
New York's governor calling the move indefensible.
You cannot justify that on any public health basis. That's politics.
President Trump in June suggested less testing.
So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please.
Today, the Department of Health and Human Services, which oversees the CDC, says there was no direction from the president or vice president on the new guidelines. Defending the change when pressed by reporters, saying tests should now be focused and strategically done, not for the sake of being tested.
If we're not testing these people, they will infect others, and the viral transmission and outbreak will get only worse over time.
A concern shared by Dr. Anthony Fauci. According to a statement tonight, he reviewed a draft of the guidelines, but was not at the task force meeting where they were adopted because he was undergoing surgery. Boston University believes more tests are better. It's built a COVID lab on campus where 8 robots help more than a dozen people process up to 6,000 COVID tests a day. Part of BU's massive effort to test undergraduate students twice a week and get results in 24 hours.
If someone is positive, we can call them and do contact tracing and get them isolated as quickly as possible.
Putting students like junior Catherine Grabowski at ease.
I want to keep everybody around me safe, just as I want to keep myself safe.
Across the country, outbreaks where students gather in large parties with few face coverings. 207 cases at Auburn, 658 at University of North Carolina, a fate BU hopes to avoid.
Even if someone doesn't adhere to those individual safety practices and they're not keeping socially distanced, we're going to catch them on our testing.
To keep students healthy and learning. Ann Thompson, NBC News, Boston.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.